everybody, it's Mrs. Groom. It's time to get out your APES curriculum notebook. We're going to learn about 1.10 energy flow and the 10% rule. Go ahead and turn to your table of contents, and as you'll see, we're going to be working on page 20 and 21. So go ahead and turn to those pages. In this lesson, you will learn about energy flow and the 10% rule. The learning target is to describe how the energy decreases as it flows through ecosystems. Only 10% of the energy is available to the next trophic level, and the loss of energy is due to the laws of thermodynamics. Here's the information that you're going to write down on page 21. First, we'll talk about the 10% rule. 90% of the energy an organism takes in is used to do work, or it's released as heat. So when it says used to do work, it's talking about things like running, jumping, cell division, mitosis, producing enzymes, doing what it takes to live and to keep your body going. 90% of the energy that an organism takes in is used for those purposes or lost as heat. So what that means is only 10% of that original energy coming into the organism is available to the next level consumer. Only 10% of the energy is available. The reason this is because of the laws of thermodynamics. So the first law says that energy is not created or destroyed, only converted. So yes, energy can be changed from one form to another, such as when it's changed from solar energy into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. But when that happens, because of the second law, some energy is always lost as heat every time energy is converted. So because of that, only 10% of the energy moves on to the next trophic level. Looking at page 20, just look over to the left. We're going to draw a diagram of an energy pyramid and show the 10% rule on this page. So get your different colored pencils and let's go ahead and work on this diagram. Okay guys, let's look at page 20 and make sure you have your different colored pens or colored pencils. I want you to draw one big trophic pyramid, still with 4 levels, but just one big one on this page. And then at the bottom we're going to show that the sun in this particular instance is going to provide 1 million calories of energy. So once you have your pyramid set up, labeled with producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, let's figure out how much energy is available. And so we're going to start off with the sun having 1 million calories. Now we know that producers are only able to harness 1% of the sun's energy. So only 1% of the sun's energy is available for producers to use. So this would result in producers only having 10,000 calories available. So 1% of 1 million calories would be 10,000 calories. Now we do the 10%. So 10% of 10,000 calories would be 1,000 calories. Secondary consumer level, 10% of 1,000 would be 100 calories. And then the top level, 10% for tertiary consumers is only 10 calories. So you can see that the sun provides 1 million calories, but by the time you get to the tertiary consumer, they're only getting 10 calories worth of energy. So there's a huge loss of energy as you go through. Okay, so in this lesson you learned about energy flow and the 10% rule. The learning target was to describe how the energy decreases as it flows through ecosystems. Remember that only 10% of energy is available to the next trophic level, and that the loss of energy is due to the laws of thermodynamics. Good job.